Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. Eddie, another quote?
Nope.
Really?
Really.
Wow.
We'll be back next week, though.
What you got? What you got?
All right. Be kind. Don't be nice. Here's what I mean. Let's give an example.
Okay.
All right. So you come to me with a situation, and I have knowledge that might upset you, that I could feed back to you. Kindness is upsetting you anyway. I'm doing you a kindness because I'm telling you the truth. I'm doing you a kindness because I'm helping you. In spite of the fact that you might be frustrated at me for the moment. Being nice is making you happy.
Yeah.
I'm telling you what you want to hear.
Right.
Fluffing your ego.
Oh, that looks great. Everything's awesome.
It's good.
Good
I
job.
can't believe this guy.
Oh my gosh, can you believe that?
Right.
Yeah.
So, be kind, not nice. Are we going to ignore that? Or
Can I be kind right now to you?
are we going to ignore the fact
I'm
that
going
it's
to be
fine?
very kind to you right now. Every time we come in here, I ask you to turn off your freaking phone. And the one time I just trust that you do it, you didn't do it. And so we get your phone vibrating on the table, and that goes straight up into this microphone and goes straight into our viewers and our listeners'
Our viewers' ears?
ears,
Yeah.
straight into their ear holes,
Uh-huh.
right? So stop doing that, man. Gah, all right?
Weren't you the one that we got on a full podcast with guests that left his phone on?
That was
No, that was you.
No, that was
That was
that was different.
You.
That was
my
different.
friend,
That was my
brother.
wife. That was my wife calling me, sir. No, actually, it wasn't. No, not that time. Yeah. So wait, are you now being kind to me by pointing out my fault?
Yes. And I am kind every time I can be to you, Tyler. Every possible time.
Even
I can be kind to you. I will be kind to you,
in-
Tyler.
I take every opportunity
Every
I can.
opportunity of kindness. Every time.
Oh, he left more cups out. Now's a chance to be kind.
I'm gonna be kind.
Hey, you dip.
Pick up after yourself.
Sorry.
Yes. Yes, that is kindness.
Okay.
No,
What would niceness be? in
Nice-
that?
niceness?
Niceness.
me fuming like I normally do.
You never fume. What are
I
you talking
fume
about?
when I have a sink full of dishes left to me.
Mm-hmm.
I fume.
Mm-hmm. And you don't actually say anything, though.
Oh, if I'm nice, I don't. But if I'm kind, I do. and from now on, I'm pledging to you, Tyler. I'm going to be kind to you
You know
about
what?
your dishes.
I think I'm gonna.
I was kind to you yesterday about the clutter on the table.
I'm gonna reciprocate.
In front of our producer, I was kind to you. I was kind to you in front of people, Tyler.
Wait. Where's the clutter? Oh, that clutter.
Yeah, that clutter.
The dirty table.
One only need look around your station to find the clutter. Kindness. Bam.
Well,
Are we getting the idea? Is this
so?
resonating?
Is this? But this isn't
Listen
a call.
to us making each
Okay,
other
yeah,
better
I know,
here.
but like
Listen to everybody
we are enhancing each other. Iron sharpens iron, right?
right now. Yeah,
Right?
and
That's
sometimes
it.
the
That's
sparks
it.
fly when it's doing it, man.
It's true. That's true. Eddie, you know, I've been realizing lately.
Yeah.
I've been realizing something lately. Okay. Your hair just continues to go away. All right. I feel it is me being kind to you to go and buy you that spray-on stuff that they had back in the 90s. Just be kind to you.
I
you
don't
know?
think that's kind.
I think that
think
is
that's kind.
You know,
No.
I think that's kind. It's kind to all of us. And the light that shines on your head and you know
why I wear a hat,
it blinds us.
That's why we're at,
you know,
at all times.
But I know that
on that one episode.
But I know that you like internalize that.
You even said that my head didn't shine too much in that episode. Not as much as you expected.
Yeah, but that's because you forgot to shave your head like you normally do.
Yeah.
Like you will shave it.
Yeah.
And so
thank you for that kindness, Tyler. I appreciate you.
You're welcome.
Pointing out the thing that I have no control over so that you can give me a gag gift to make me feel bad.
Listen, you're the one that started it, all right? Like you're the one that brought this.
I don't think that was a good example of kindness, Tyler. I think that crossed the line, Tyler. I think you're making fun of something that I have no control over.
Go take it up with HR, Eddie. Go take it up with HR.
Well, maybe I will.
Well,
maybe I'll go to the top of the podcast later and find out who's there.
Mom, settle this.
Come on.
All right? Guys, do you get the picture? Do you understand? Do you understand what we're saying here? Kindness, guys. Reciprocate it. Don't be nice. Be kind. And go build something awesome.
Good God. Are we going to air that? Holy heck, yes, we are.